Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal and I am MLM automation expert. In this video, I'm going to talk about very interesting topic, which is most of the times not taken as a serious topic, and that is time. Okay, this is I think very important topic which every entrepreneur, even every human being should consider this as the most valuable asset, time. Okay, so I will talk about it, but before that I want to just remind you that I'm not sure when you are watching this video, but if it is before 14th of June and if you are into network marketing business and you want to come into DNA Club, DNA is Digital Networker Academy, which is a community of all the network marketers which I have built, where people learn how to build their network marketing business 100% online without convincing anybody. If you want to learn that, if you want to come to this paid community, beautiful community, we are just touching 500 members now from different network marketing companies now. So if you want to avail and a special offer before 14th of June, it is just rupees 4,999, and after the 14th of June it is going to be 7,999. So I'm not sure when you are watching this video, but if it is before 14th of June, then click on the link in this video description and get access to register for DNA Club now. Okay, with by the way, the link is dnaclub.in/gold. Go to this link. Now let's talk about time. Okay, just imagine one thing. Suppose a person who is into his deathbed, he is about to die, and he has his family members, okay, alongside the bed. So what will the person who is just about to die, what will that person be thinking? Option number one, I wish I had more time. Option number two, I wish I had more money. What do you think? Use the chat option. Yes, definitely it is option number one. A person who is just about to die realizes that it is not about the money, it is about the time, which is the most valuable asset. Now when we listen to all these kind of things, we understand, okay, that is fine, time is an asset, but that is fine, but people are striving for getting more and more money. But people, most of the businessmen, most of the entrepreneurs, they don't consider time as a resource. Entrepreneurs considers other people and other things as their resources, but time is the most valuable resource. And especially because I'm into network marketing business, you are watching my video, you are maybe interested into businesses. So the thing is, when you are competing with other entrepreneurs in your same domain, there is only one thing which every of your competitor has same, okay, and that is time. Everybody has 24 hours. So your competitor may have better skills, your competitor may have more wealth, but a competitor can never have more time. Everybody has 24 hours. So it is all about the game of how a person manages his time. And if an entrepreneur considers time as an asset, this is a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful self-realization, which people usually have such kind of realization when they are just about to die. Okay, I have some notes in front of me, so let me check my notes so that I don't forget anything. Right. So now the thing is, there is another concept called hourly worth. Hourly worth means how much money you are making annually, okay, and how much effort, how much hours you have worked, your working hours in a particular year. Okay, so suppose okay, I have a mobile phone in front of me now. Suppose if I open calculator, and suppose in a year a person makes 15 lakh Indian currency, okay, 15 lakh rupees if a person earns in 1 year. And now say for example 15 lakh is that total annual income, and suppose total working days, okay, total days in year, 365. Now suppose if I consider 340, now just a random figure, 340 days as a working days. So 340 multiplied by 8, suppose if a person works 8 hours a day, it is 2720 hours. Okay, so your early worth means 15 lakh divided by 2720, it is around 551 rupees. So let's consider on an approx figure, let's consider it as 500. So which means per hour you are making 500 rupees. So if a person has a realization that, okay, I am a person who makes 500 rupees per hour, now there is no scope of any kind of distraction, especially in these times when we are full of means distraction is all around us. Okay, we are going through some tough times. Uncertainty is around everywhere now. Social media and so much gadgets and tools are available, easily available for all of us. Because of that, we are not able to understand how much time we are actually wasting by using all these tools and gadgets. Okay, so if you understand your hourly worth, which is around 500 rupees per hour, you will be more conscious about where you are putting your effort. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is the hourly worth which you have to calculate for yourself, how much you have made last year, okay, the entire year, and how much working hours you put every year. So you calculate your hourly worth, which will give you an idea about how much money you are making per hour. Okay, so suppose if you are spending 1 hour in just Instagram reels, you are just scrolling Instagram reel, okay, next, and 1 hour just passed like this, so you will understand that you have wasted 500 of your rupees. 500 rupees if you are spending this time in your working time. Okay, now the last point which I wanted to share with you is how can you create more time. As an entrepreneur, this is a very, very important thing. We need to understand how we can create more time for us. We all have 24 hours, but how we can create more hours. Okay, so there are some tips which I want to give you. Number one, if you want to create more hours for yourself, number one is you must have a very clear goals. Okay, now this is again very common stuff. Okay, have goals, that's fine, but no, if you know what you want to do, if you have very clear mindset at today when you wake up, if you have very clear mindset at what I have to do today, in that case you will be focused. Your emotions, your energy will flow in a single direction. There is no scope of any kind of distraction. So there are so many people who have started their day today without having a clear cut goal what they want to do today. Okay, so if you want to create more time for yourself, number one thing is you must have a very clear goal, what you want to do today, what you want to achieve in a year or in six months from now. That is what you should be very, very clear, and should be very, very clear in front of you. Write a goal card each and every day. Okay, that's number one. Number two is stay focused. Okay, just stay focused. So this is the time where it is very, very easy to get distracted. But a person who is focused, just consider any of the influencer, any of the business tycoon whom you are following, your idol, you will find one quality which is common in all these people, and that is focus. Okay, they are very much focused on what they want to achieve. They have a very clear goal and they are very, very focused. It is not easy to influence these kind of people. So this is the time, don't get influenced, instead become an influencer. Okay, become an influencer. And also to be focused, I want to give you the tips, okay, which I also follow. That is, unsubscribe all those people from your social media like Instagram or YouTube who are not relevant. Okay, so it is not a time to watch entertainment. It is a time to actually okay, entertainment sometimes it's good, but in your working time it should be you should be very, very focused. If you are working 8 hours or 9 hours a day, it should be very focused effort. Turn off all the notifications from your mobile phone. Okay, if you are into online marketing, okay, Instagram and Facebook, these are important tools, but at the same time turn off notifications, okay, so that these apps don't disturb you from your focus activities. So turn off notifications and unfollow all those people who are not relevant to you to grow in your business. Okay, so that is what I have followed, and this has really worked magically for my business. Okay, so number one is have clear goal. Number two, stay focused. Okay, build an environment where there is no distraction. And number three is delegation. Delegation means, suppose there are some things which you are not expert in. Okay, suppose if I don't know how to edit a photo, if I don't know how to edit a video, I sometimes take help of my wife. Even right now this video is being shot by my wife only. Okay, so sometimes I delegate my work, okay, which actually my wife is supporting me in my work. And sometimes some of my colleagues, I also give some work to them. So you must know what kind of work you can do, what kind of work you can delegate to other people who have passion, who have expertise in a particular area. If you go to my Instagram profile, okay, you can see in my Instagram profile link in this video description. All the Instagram reels, most of these reels are actually edited and shot by my wife only. Okay, so all these, my Instagram handle, everything is managed by her only, so that I don't get time to manage all these things. I mainly focus on podcast and YouTube. Okay, and I'm busy in many other stuffs. So just think about what all work you can delegate to other people within your home. Okay, and the next topic is automation. So I believe in automating stuff which are repeated. Okay, something which is repeated, I automate that using a tool called Kajabi. So I have a website, I have a email automation setup for my prospects. If somebody opt in through my landing page, they got an automated email for 5 days, 6 days, which is an automated alert, reminders, and automated follow-up sequences which I've already set up using Kajabi. So through Kajabi, I have set up my automated webinars, automated email funnel. Okay, all these kind of things. For this I use Kajabi. Yes, Kajabi is a paid tool, and most of the people don't buy these paid tools. They will always search on Google what are the free tools for automation. Now let me tell you, okay, your journey to greatness should never be cheap. Okay, if you really want something great in your life, you should never be cheap in your journey to greatness. So invest in these tools, because these tools ultimately are going to give you more time. Okay, because of these automations, I know that right now I'm shooting this video. I know there are so many things happening, but right now my business is going on because some content is working for me and some automation sequences are working for me even while I'm not working. So I would suggest you to invest in some tools. Especially I suggest Kajabi. If you want to take trial of Kajabi, if you just want to try this for free for 14 days, then click on the link in this video description, and it is visit dnaclub.in/Kajabi, and you can try Kajabi for free. Okay, that's my affiliate link. And last point is, if you want to create more time, that is build a network. So being into network marketing business, this is something which I love about network marketing. That is, if I build a network of 50 people, 100 people, now these people are working for themselves, they are building their own businesses, but if they generate a revenue, I also generate a commission. So if you generate more and more network, if 50 people are working for themselves, only 1 hour per day, if everybody is putting for his or her own business, actually it is 50 hours of work which is happening within my business. So that's the power of building a network. Okay, so these are the ways how we can create more time for ourselves. So I repeat, number 1, have a clear cut goal so that your energy and emotions are very focused. Second is, you must have a very focused attitude. I mean, your environment should be very focused. It should be distraction free. Turn off the notifications and unfollow all those people who are not relevant. Next is, delegate some work to other people. Next is automation. Use some automated tools like Kajabi. And fifth and the last point is, build a network where you multiply your time. So these are the things which I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you found it valuable. I again repeat, time is the most valuable asset, and most of the people don't consider this as an asset, but this is a wonderful asset, and we all should focus on creating more and more time for ourselves. Okay, do share your thoughts in the video's comment section. Also visit dnaclub.in/cold. I welcome you to DNA community. Come and become a part of the strongest community of digital networkers and who are building their network marketing business 100% online, without convincing anybody, without going out of their home, just with the comfort of their home. By learning some major skills and tools, they are able to generate their business revenues without spending time and effort convincing other people. Okay, so dnaclub.in/gold, visit that website, subscribe the channel. I will see you in my next video.